If you're out there looking for a Charleston dental malpractice attorney, chances are you're experiencing some sort of injury after a dental procedure. Hopefully this video will help you, because today we're diving into the world of dental malpractice claims in South Carolina. If you've ever experienced severe dental injuries due to negligence or substandard care, it's crucial to understand the types of issues that might serve as grounds for a dental malpractice lawsuit. In this video, we'll discuss common reasons for filing dental malpractice cases, the damages available in South Carolina, and how a Charleston dental malpractice lawyer can help you seek compensation. So, let's get started. Let's start out with the reasons for filing dental malpractice cases. Dental malpractice cases can arise from various issues, including root canal complications, permanent nerve damage incidents, errors in tooth extraction or treatment, and problems related to dental implant procedures. By understanding these common causes, you can identify potential negligence and take appropriate legal action if necessary. Let's start out by talking about root canal complications. Root canal treatments are standard procedures and thousands are performed each day. But complications can occur when dentists overfill the canal, perforate the tooth, or over-instrument the canal, which extends the root canal file through the apex of the root, causing damage to the inferior alveolar nerve or surrounding tissues. These types of root canal complications can lead to major harm, even resulting in permanent nerve damage and tooth extraction. Now, let's talk about permanent nerve damage. Permanent nerve damage is a severe complication, sometimes associated with negligent dental work. It can be caused by improper administration of anesthesia, the placement of dental implants into the mandibular nerve canal, or improperly performed extractions, particularly with wisdom teeth. These complications can cause significant financial damages, permanent numbness, and neuropathic conditions like trigeminal neuralgia and anesthesia dolorosa. Now, let's talk about wrong tooth extractions. Mistakes made during the extraction or treatment of the wrong tooth can also be grounds for a dental malpractice claim in South Carolina. Besides causing unnecessary pain and suffering, these incidents may require additional corrective treatments that could have been avoided with proper care. Overall, removing the wrong tooth is just sloppy. Now let's talk about issues arising from dental implant procedures. During dental implant placement, there's a risk of damaging the inferior alveolar nerve if proper preoperative planning is not conducted. Poor sterilization techniques may also lead to infections after implant placement. Improper placement can result in discomfort and necessitate additional corrective procedures, and it may lead to permanent nerve damage. Now, we're going to switch gears and talk about the damages available in South Carolina dental malpractice lawsuits. When pursuing a dental malpractice claim in South Carolina, it's essential that you be aware of the available damages under the law. These typically include compensation for pain and suffering, as well as economic losses incurred due to negligent dental treatment. Now, let's discuss some of these damages in a little bit more detail. Let's start out by discussing non-economic damages. Pain and suffering are one of the most common types of non-economic damages. Pain and suffering damages are meant to address physical pain caused by negligent dental work, as well as emotional distress experienced by victims. Another common form of non-economic damages is the loss of enjoyment of life. These non-economic damages are typically more difficult to quantify than economic damages, which we'll talk about next. Now that we've touched upon non-economic damages, let's talk about economic damages. Economic damages refer to financial expenses directly or indirectly related to your injury. In a dental malpractice claim, this could include things like lost wages due to severe injuries preventing you from working, as well as the costs associated with additional treatments required to rectify the dentist's mistakes. For example, if you suffer damage to the inferior alveolar nerve and require microneurosurgery to repair that nerve, the costs associated with this type of surgery would be included in your economic damages. Well, that's all I have for you today. If you or a loved one has suffered a serious injury after a dental procedure that is due to dental malpractice, you may be entitled to compensation. Although we're headquartered in Orlando, Florida, we handle all kinds of dental nerve injury cases in Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina. And we're happy to give you a free legal consultation and talk with you more about your potential case. All you have to do to schedule a consultation with us is call the number below in the video description, or you can visit our dental malpractice page at www.spetsasbuist.com. That's SPETSASBUIST.com. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.